Hello, Mr. iPhone. Yeah, Mr. iPhone. Next year, iPhone 54 Pro Max is coming out. Oh, yeah. You know, say me and the customer care. Yeah. Oh, you don't have problem about money. I'll pay everything as you assist. Yes, iPhone 54 Pro Max. Next year. Oh, my wife will be happy more. Yeah. Yes, I love iPhone 54 Pro Max. Oh, no problem. I'm waiting for you. Yeah, I'm waiting for you. Sir, next year the iPhone 54 Pro Max coming. I'm waiting for you. No problem.